Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Elektra Micro Casa semi-automatic espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because whenever we were pressing the brew button, the boiler was filling up entirely. So the solenoid valve that is located in the machine was not was not working correctly, and it was letting water pass through inside the boiler instead of going through the group head. So yeah, that was what's happening in here. So we replaced these two-way solenoid on the machine. We also replaced one of the pot's junctions. As you can see, this one is in bad condition. It basically burned. We replaced that as well. We also did a tune-up on the machine, descaling the machine and replacing the gasket of the machine, as well as deep cleaning the shower head. You can see right here, it's really covered up with coffee buildup and more and other stuff. We deep cleaned everything in there to make sure it was nice and clean. We also descaled the machine and just give a good general service to this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right gradients of this machine, otherwise I'm gonna see drip coffee or coffee better dripping. Also, it's going to splatter a bit as we do not have the tray, and this will basically just release the pressure from the groove head through here. So we're gonna see a little bit of splatter through the tray, unfortunately, because we do not have the plastic tray that goes on top of the machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. As you can see, it's a little bit faster. I probably need to tamper a little bit harder to get that perfect shot. As you can see, the boiler level is still the same. It's not increasing and it's not doing anything in there like it used to before. I'm gonna drink this later. As you can see, it splattered a bit. Just give me 1 second. Let me remove the portafilter as I'm holding a big tablet to record this. Okay, we are back. I removed the portafilter and clean the portafilter as well, and now we're gonna just run water through the group head. As you can see right there, water levels of the boiler are not increasing, and we're running a lot of water through the machine right now. Temperature of the boiler is decreasing as we're pushing cold water from the water tank to the machine, but it's gonna be able to keep up to go back to pressure in just a few seconds. After that, we're gonna be using the steam, and then we're gonna refill just a little bit the boiler so you can see how much that is working. I will get my container ready so we can see the steam working. Alright, machine is getting closer to the 1.1 bar, and as you can see, we're having good steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure, excellent temperature, and it's working really well. And of course, the boiler works whenever we want to increase the volume inside the boiler. As you can see, water is increasing, and I'm gonna stop it right there, as I don't want this machine to overfill. And there you have it, Elektra Micro Casa working once again. So thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.